Okay, from the rails box, now I've found the 3 on a queen size. I've found 3 of these stiffeners, and these stiffeners will go across the panel. And what we do is we just divide it up into equal spacing about. So we'll put one about there and one about here, and then one more or less down here. And it's not really super scientific. I'm just going to make sure I've got about equal spacing. But I do want to take just a minute and talk about a king, because a king will have 5 stiffeners. And it's important to get the first 2 stiffeners where they need to be to support the end of a king-size bed. So if this were a king-size bed, now this one's a queen, but if this were a king, again, 5 stiffeners. What I would do is I would put the first stiffener right up here, and I'd line it up with this second hole coming through the side. The second stiffener I would put right next to my first stiffener. So there were 2 stiffeners right up here near the foot end of the panel that we're working on. But again, that's just on a king. And then the others for the king I would just space out and make the spacing equal. But again, now this is a queen, so we'll just go ahead and put one more or less in the center. And then move this one down so there's about equal space. And then from that same hardware pack that we put all these rails in with, I'm going to just go ahead and go across each one of these and put a screw in every hole there is, every opportunity, except for if it lands right on a seam. If it lands right on a seam, I'll skip it. And these are important too, that they're tight but not strict. So I'll just go ahead now and go across. Make sure I got it tight. Yep. Go across this one and just put screws in each one of the holes on each one of these stiffeners.